Mastering Book Club Etiquette, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language and its cultural nuances. Today, we're diving into a very special topic: book club etiquette. Whether you're a seasoned book lover or new to the world of reading groups, understanding the do's and don'ts of book club participation is key to enjoying these gatherings to the fullest. Let's embark on this journey together and learn how to make the most out of your book club experiences. A book club is a group of people who meet regularly to discuss a book they have all agreed to read. It's a fantastic way to share your thoughts, insights, and feelings about different books with others who have similar interests. However, to ensure that everyone has a pleasant experience, there are certain unwritten rules or etiquette that members are expected to follow. Before attending a book club meeting, it's important to prepare. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. Read the book. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial. Try your best to finish the book to participate fully in the discussion. Take notes. Jot down interesting points, questions, or themes you notice while reading. This will help you contribute more effectively to the conversation. Research the author. Understanding the author's background can add depth to your discussion and offer insights into their motivations and writing style. Participating in the meeting respectfully and thoughtfully is vital. Here are some tips for during the meeting. Listen actively. Show respect for other members by listening actively when they speak. It's not just about waiting for your turn to talk but understanding and engaging with others' points of view. Share the floor. Ensure everyone gets a chance to speak. If you tend to dominate the conversation, make a conscious effort to step back and invite others to share their thoughts. Be open-minded. Be prepared to encounter different interpretations and opinions. Book clubs are richer when diverse perspectives are welcomed and respected. The discussion doesn't have to end when the meeting does. Here's what you can do after the meeting. Stay connected. If your club uses social media or email to stay in touch, participate in these platforms to continue the discussion or share related content. Suggest books. Don't be shy about suggesting books for future discussions. It's a great way to contribute to the club's diversity and richness. Provide feedback. Constructively share your thoughts on the meeting's format or discussion to help improve future sessions. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the world of book club etiquette. Remember, the goal of a book club is not only to discuss literature but also to build a community of readers who respect and learn from each other. By following these etiquette tips, you'll enhance your book club experience and create lasting friendships along the way. Happy reading, and see you in the next video.